Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you this look that I have created. This is my interpretation of classy black widow spider that will be perfect for Halloween that is upcoming soon. As you can see, I have a bit of a tear here and my friend's spiders. I am not an artist. If you're interested to see how did that happen, then carry on watching. The first thing I'm going to do is spray my face with the Evian water. My skin is super dry. Oh goodness. Okay, and as usual I'm going to be using this baby embryolase, super cute. It's a travel size. I have them in all possible shape and sizes, so I'm just gonna put it all over my face. I think I will have to use something to pin my fringe because it's driving me crazy. This is what I've done so far. First things first, because it's going to be rather dark eye makeup, I'm going to start with my eyes. The usual, I'm going to use my NARS eyeshadow base, get my mirror, apply. Next thing I'm going to do is apply a little bit of powder on my eyelids to make sure that the makeup is gliding smoothly. So I'm just going to get one of these powder highlighters, you name it, whatever it is. I bought it back in Europe. It's a bit of a nothing name, so not worth mentioning, but you can get any powder that you have handy. For today's look, I'm going to use this Sultry by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to be using this makeup brush that comes with the palette. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm just gonna go into the shade Twig. This is going to be my transition shade. My eyes wide open and just make a little halo like so. This is what I have so far. Now I'm gonna get a clean brush, if I can find one. I'm gonna get this big Morphe highlighter brush and I'm just gonna swirl around like so to make sure that it's nicely blended. We don't have to be particular or precise about this because at the end of the day, it's Halloween makeup. Just like so. Done. Next thing, I'm gonna carry on using the same brush and I'm just gonna use the different end of the brush and I'm gonna go into the black shade, which is this one. It's called Noir. Noir. And apply it. Like so, and I'm going to move on to the other eye. So this is what we have so far. Next thing I'm going to do is going to get my tapered brush from Sonia Kashuk and go in the shade Twig. Right, just coat it a little bit, shake, and just apply on the top to blend the edges. Next thing, I'm going to grab my Tom Ford eyeliner. This is one of my favorite eyeliners out there, and I'm gonna give myself a wing. So So this is what we have. Wings. Okay, for today's foundation, I'm going to be using this one by Yves Saint Laurent, which is All Our Foundation. It's a fairly new discovery for me, and I really enjoy using this foundation. It's perfect for the party. I'm gonna get this glitter primer by NYX. I'm gonna grab a small brush. And I'm going to get this palette by Kevyn Aucoin, Electro Pop. I'm gonna go into the shade Hardware, which is the I'm going to go back into my eyeliner. Now we're going to go and get my concealer, which is going to be this NARS concealer. Now I'm going to get this eyeliner by Gucci in the shade 040. Then I'm going to grab my Hakuhodo pencil brush and I'm going to go back into the Anastasia palette. And I'm gonna go with the shade Twig. Like so, and then I'm gonna go into this dark brown. Then I'm gonna go back into the shade Noir. I'm adding the black shade little by little, so be very careful before you put too much. So this is what I have so far. My lips are so dry, OMG. I'm gonna grab my by 30. This is the balm for the lips. It's called Balm de Rose. This is what it looks like. It is extremely thick and I normally like to use it winter time. For the contour today, I'm going to be using this Hoola contour stick. I'm just gonna do this. This is a brush from Sonia Kashuk. Now I'm gonna contour my nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. This is what it looks like so far. With contour, nicely blended. I'm gonna get my Hourglass bronzing powder. I'm gonna get this brush from Real Technique and just press it a little bit. As a blush, I'm going to be using my Hourglass Mood Exposure. I'm gonna get one of my blush brushes, like so. Next thing I'm going to do is just grab my Tom Ford eyeliner. This is the one that looks like a marker. I find that for this particular job that I have in mind, this is the best type of eyeliner. So I'm going to draw a line. You have to be very careful. You have to have a sturdy hand. So This is the spider. This is my tear. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to borrow some of this Chanel lipstick. I'm going to get the small brush that I have from Sigma, if I can find it, which is right here. This is the eyeliner brush. I'm going to get just a little bit of a lipstick on. Now I'm going to grab my mascara from Chanel. As a lipstick today, I'm going to be using this Rouge Allure Ink Fusion 806 Pink Brown. I'm going to loosen up my hair. Final, and voila, this is what we have. So this is the final look for today. As you can see, I'm no artist and it was fairly easy to achieve. Of course, my spiders are not perfect, but you know, it's not meant to be, it's just for fun. Judge me kindly if you're going to, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to pop over to my Instagram account. I would love to have you there. If you can join, that would be fabulous. And I'll see you in my next one, but for now, it's bye-bye.